Some ideas from my Uniqlo shopping. Though Sarah's favorite is bonding at the Uniqlo stores, especially Uniqlo Alabang. Uniqlo Alabang, shout out Uniqlo Alabang. For my wife naman, I love getting her, and I would get her the Heat Tech fleece turtleneck T-shirt, and of course the Puff Tech parka, which I actually got the other day for her travels this December. Yes. And then she can also wear these to keep her warm, of course, and very comfortable. Especially yung paborito natin mga cuddle weather dyan. Siya cuddle dyan.
Ang ganda pa ng fabric na Uniqlo, no? So,
yes, it's the best. You know, and I can wear them all the time with errands, things to do, date nights, movie nights, work days, kumbaga. Always you can wear them, kumbaga. And of course, when the weather is hot and dry, my go-to, of course, ladies and gentlemen, is the Aerizip Cotton PK polo shirt. Who loves it? All of you love it. Yes, it's very, very comfortable. It's neat looking. You can wear them all day long, kumbaga, no? And of course, I have it says the prompter 2 colors, but I have more than 2 colors. I have many colors. But for Christmas, I'll be getting the wine color, the green color, para more Christmas colors for this Christmas. Good one. Maybe.
Oh, Sarah. Yes, I know everybody will agree with me. 100%, it's the best feeling when you give something special to a loved one. Tama po ba? And you know, you feel that that person truly appreciates it because you really made an effort to find something that he or she will truly like, diba? Diba yung effort yun, it's the effort that counts and yung gesture talaga. At masarap sa pakiramdam lalo. Lalo pag talagang nagustuhan nila. Makikita mo yung smile sa mukha nila. Makasama kami. With that said...
No, but we love surprising each other with Uniqlo items. Because like, for example, every month we go Uniqlo shopping, but we don't tell each other what we're getting, so we just surprise each other at the end of shopping.
Wow! It's like a secret Santa, but yes. Pero alam yun na, hindi na
back to the prompter, back there.
So yun na, with that said, no, love, I already have a few gifts in mind for you, my husband. Okay, one for each of your many interests.
Okay, load more.
First is a seamless down parka. Yeah, perfect yan to wear for our next travel abroad.
Yeah,
yes.
Very nice.
Okay. Next is dry stretch easy shorts for your outdoor activities.
Favorite. For playing golf, going to the mall, everywhere. Did I drop this in the
Ang dami activities, right? Keeping active.
Oh, he's very active. And for your work naman, I am getting you Miracle Easy Jacket. Yeah, that was
the air jacket. That's the best.
Miracle Air Jacket. And Lava, please also get for me washable knit rib pants.
I will
perfect
get you.
Yan sa long flight.
Yes. I'll get you everything.
Oh, wow! Talaga naman.
Ganyan tayo lahat. When we love someone, we will get them anything and everything that they want. Shout out to my husband by the side of the stage. Okay, thank you.